Hello friends, good morning. This is Miss Gogo. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. We are on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. We are on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. In Grandpa's farm there is a very big wow, today we are going to be doing a revision on sounds Atuk. We are going to be revising our sounds. Do you know your sounds? Yes, I know my sounds. What are your sounds?
Apple. 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 Ball. 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 Car. 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 Cat. 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 Cat.
Hello lovelies, do you enjoy our videos? Oh yes, you did. I did too. So feel free to watch your video. Feel free to say your sounds and identify your sounds anytime. Until next time, bye for now.